Your pages come out with ink smears you can rub off with a finger. The fix depends on whether you're on an inkjet or a laser, so start there. On an inkjet, smudging almost always means too much ink for the paper. If your print settings are on photo or best quality and you're feeding plain copy paper, the page gets flooded. Drop the quality to normal and set paper type to plain. Second, run a print head cleaning from the maintenance menu. A partly clogged head dumps ink in blobs instead of dots. Third, pull the cartridges and wipe the carriage path with a dry, lint-free cloth, because stray ink in there transfers straight onto the page. Now, on a laser printer, toner that rubs off means the fuser isn't melting it into the paper. Set your paper type to heavy or cardstock so the fuser runs hotter, and if it still smears on every page, the fuser unit is worn out. And check your paper. Damp paper smears on any printer, so store it sealed and flat. Castle Ink stocks cartridges, drum units, and fusers for most major models.